Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Balloonary, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo and claims to automatically generate digital ads based on your website content. So Balloonary is an AI-powered ad platform that automatically generates digital ads across multiple platforms based on your web copy. So the tool will use your website data to create the ads, and then you can advertise on Google, Instagram, or Facebook. It will also give you the right template for your business to get started with your ads. You can use this on Google Ads, Facebook, or Instagram. You're gonna get all the Future Plus plan, and the limit here is pretty good. You get 0% commissions on ad budget and 10 active ads with one brand with a single code. But if you get a double, you're gonna get 30 active ads and 3 brands. You can stack again to get unlimited active ads with multiple codes, and you can go up to 5. And with 5 codes, you get everything unlimited. So unlimited active ads, the number of ads that are active on your account, and unlimited brands. Let's take a look at the tool. As you can see here, the first thing that you're gonna do is to add your website link, and then the AI will find your business descriptions and also your business name. You can change it or just let it in the way that the AI just pictured it. And here you can select the platform that you would like to use your ads, okay? They will have LinkedIn ads as well, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Google ads. Just select the one that's better for you. And the AI will generate suggestions to your brand. So you are done here. You're gonna select your Facebook page. You can use even their Facebook page, the Balloonari's Facebook page. This thing is really good if you have a small page, if you don't have a huge page, because you can use their page to give credibility to your ads. So just choose your Balloonary page. And here are the AI suggestions. So get the latest tech reviews, find out what's new in the tech world, keep up with the latest tech trends. Okay, clicking here, you can upload your design, or you can select one of the AI suggestions to your ads. I'm gonna select this one. You can even crop your image. You can use the layout as image only, image plus text, or image plus text plus logo. I'm gonna go to image only. You can customize it in the editor. They have an editor here where you can add your logo, you can add text. You can use one of their ads templates on your ad design. You can change the button label as well. You have the headline here. Just keep going, clicking to see the AI suggestions, okay? Then you can select the location, the interest. You will find the interest inside Balloonary, which is pretty cool. The AI will suggest the best interest for you. Software as a service, WordPress, web design. Can you see here? The demographics as well. And your budget, okay? It's seeing here 20% commissions because I'm using the free trial. Okay, so you can select your budget. And then you can ask an expert to have, they can see your ads and help you, guiding you to create the best ad, or you can proceed to payment. You can also see your website here. Your website will be connected. You can install a line of code, a snippet on your website, and then Balloonary will receive analytics from your website. Okay. And you can use it to not only Facebook, but also Instagram and Google. Connect your Facebook and Google accounts pretty simple. In a click of a button, just click here to connect them. You'll be able to see all your campaigns here, and your ad runs with impressions and visits and all the relevant analytics. When you create a new campaign, you can just add any website URL. Let's say you want to send traffic to a blog post, you can do that, and so on. Overall, the tool is pretty simple to use, and the AI suggestions is useful. If you're starting to use ads, Balloonary and their team of experts can help you a lot to create new content that will convert. I hope you like that review. If you like, please click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Bye bye.